எப்படி சார் replicate ஆக போகுது? Replication in a eukaryote and a replication in a prokaryote. Let's in prokaryotes, the replication process for replication require three types of DNA polymerase enzyme. Underline the enzyme name. Replication, okay, is done by DNA replicases, DNA polymerases enzyme. DNA polymerases. What are the DNA polymerases? 1, 2, 3. DNA polymerase 3 is main enzyme involved in DNA replication. Please do underline it. DNA replication is mainly done by DNA polymerase enzyme 3, whereas DNA polymerase 1 and DNA polymerase 2, these two are involved in DNA repairing mechanism. Is it clear? DNA repairing mechanism. In a DNA replication, there is any impaired means damaged, which will be repaired by polymerase 1 and 2. Polymerase 1 is also called as Kornberg enzyme. Oftenly, it is in NEET question paper. Please note it down. Polymerase 1 is otherwise called as Kornberg enzyme. Okay. In a DNA replication prokaryotes, DNA replication in prokaryotes, there is only one origin of replication. Only one origin of replication. Origin of replication. You see the figure. This is the replication, origin of replication in prokaryotes. Okay. E. coli. How many base pairs are there in E. coli? 4.6 in 10 power 6 million. Already what I have given to you, 4 into 10 power 6 I have given. It is given in the same textbook, 2 or 3 pages back. You go and refer it in the textbook. 4 into 10 power 6 is given, but in this page it is given 4.6 into 10 power 6 million base pair. Anyhow, the length of the DNA in prokaryote, no, that is 1.36 millimeter. It's a length. Okay. But there will be controversy in the textbook itself. In one place it is given 4 into 10 power 6. Here it is given 4.6 into 10 power 6. Little bit controversy is there in our textbook itself. But what it is given, you do write as such. Okay. DNA replication in a prokaryotes completed within 38 minutes. This information. As such, you take it as a 1 mark. Replication takes place faster in prokaryotes. At the same time, accuracy also there. But there is any error that will lead to mutation. However, the replication error, any replication error is there, that also will be rectified by or corrected by an enzyme is called nucleases, that is exonucleases enzymes. Okay. Whereas, which is the substrate in the DNA replication in the prokaryotes? Okay. Deoxynucleotide triphosphate. Underline it. Deoxynucleotide triphosphate act as a substrate as well as provide the energy for polymerization of nucleotides. In the newly synthesizing strand. The replication begins at initiation site. No, such a site is called a site of ORI or origin of replication.